Hi friends, welcome to Storytime with Tristan. Our planet is an amazing place, but it needs our help to continue going strong. That's why each year on April 22nd, we celebrate Earth Day. Earth Day is a day we learn about ways to help protect the planet by doing things like recycling, reducing our waste, and planting trees. By taking part in these activities, we're making our world a happier, healthier place to live. Join me today as we read a very special book that will help teach us the importance of taking care of our Earth. Saving Tally, an adventure into the Great Pacific Plastic Patch, written by Serena Lane Ferrari and illustrated by Giorgia Vallicelli. Tally Turtle once saved a young lobster from a fisherman's trap. They became best friends, and now they live with Granny Turtle and other strange creatures in the Great Pacific Ocean. At the break of dawn, Grandma Turtle wakes Tally up and says, "Tally, now that you are growing up, I think the time has come for you to explore the coral reef with Ara. You can set off on an adventure together." Tally twists and jiggles like a mermaid. "But watch out, Tally," says Grandma. "Beware of the plastic patch. It's the most dangerous place to be." "Is it more dangerous than a stinging jellyfish?" asks Tally. "Yes, my darling, it is," says Grandma. "Is it more dangerous than the giant jaws of a shark?" "Yes, my darling, it is much more dangerous than the giant jaws of a shark." "Is it more dangerous than the terrible speedboats?" "Yes, my darling, it is even more dangerous than the terrible speedboats." "Okay, Granny," says Tally as she swims away as fast as a shooting star with Ara clinging to her shell. After gliding and sliding, they arrive at the rainforest of the sea, Coral Reef. They flip in and out of the sparkling corals. They paddle with seahorses and dangle amongst schools of colorful fish. Tally watches crabs playing hide and seek on the rocks. She spots a funny creature with one eye peeping in the dark. "I'm having an adventure," says Tally, not taking the time to slow down. "Not that way," shouts Ara, chasing Tally. Tally dives and pops in and out of the water like a dancing ballerina. She travels along the reef until she is lost. Tally spots some lovely bright colors floating beneath the waves. Strange shapes gently gliding. Some come to rest on the ocean floor. She moves towards the patch, feeling hypnotized. "The plastic patch!" screams Ara, scuttling off to hide under a clump of sand. Tally twists and spins surrounded by plastic parts, trying to escape. She is trapped in a plastic bag. She curls and twirls, she loops and dips, but the plastic bag wraps her even tighter. She shivers. Tally screams, "Save me! I'm caught in here!" As quick as a flash, Ara flings herself toward her friend. Raising her powerful claws, she swoops on the plastic bag. She rips and scratches, slashes, and shreds. The bag is torn to pieces. Tally ducks under the mass of floating plastic, and the two friends swim away. Past the stingy jellyfish, past the grinning shark and his giant jaws, past the terrible speedboats. They crawl up the beach and gaze back at the waves. "Thank you, Ara. If it weren't for your courage, I wouldn't have been saved. Let's tell everyone how dangerous it is to throw plastic into our ocean." Tally and Ara with a flipper and a claw right on the shore. "Beware of the plastic patch. Please, no more litter in the ocean. Our ocean is not a garbage can." The end. So, we learned that it's really dangerous for animals like Tally to come across plastic and trash in the ocean because they can get caught in it. Are you wondering what you can do about ocean plastic pollution? In the back of this book, the author has included 6 ways for us to help make a difference. Number 1, Reduce your use of single-use plastic. Say no to straws. Number 2, use reusable water bottles. Number 3, avoid products containing microbeads. Number 4, use reusable shopping bags. Number 5, participate in a beach or river cleanup. And number 6, spread the word. Help make others aware of the problem. Tell your family and friends about how they can be part of the solution. I hope you will join me in celebrating Earth Day on Thursday, April 22nd, and that you will do something to help make our world a happier, healthier place to live for all. Special thanks to Serena Lane Ferrari for granting permission to read aloud Saving Tally, an adventure into the Great Pacific Plastic Patch. Make sure to check out SerenaLaneFerrari.com to check out more books written by Serena, such as Clumsy Nelson and Super Stinky Skunk. Thanks for joining me on Storytime with Tristan. To find out how you can purchase today's book, take an online reading class with me, or learn how you can purchase shirts like mine to help support fostering, adoption, education, and dog rescue, click the description below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. I'll see you next time for another reading adventure.